Hey, this is Dr. Jide. Welcome to day 3 of being a badass in Precalculus. And today's question, we are to simplify the following expression. 3 square root of minus 12 minus 3 square root of minus 75 plus square root of minus 48. Now, first question, what's the square root of minus 12? If you type this in a calculator, you'll get an error. All right? Same with square root of minus 75. Same with square root of minus 48. You will get an error message. Okay? Now, imagine we wrote these things like this. So this is also 3 root 12 times root negative 1 minus 3 root 75 times root negative 1 plus root 48 times root negative 1. This is another way of writing this expression. All right, now root of negative 12 is the same thing as saying root of 12 times root of negative 1. Same with 75, root of 75, negative 75, 75 times root of 75 times root of negative 1, then 48, negative 48, root of 48 times root of negative 1. Now, in calculus, I is a complex number which is known as the square root of negative 1. All right? It's a complex number. All right? So I rewrote this in terms of the complex number. All right? So that means I can write this as 3i root 12 minus 3i root 75 plus I root 48. All right? Because remember, I is the same thing as what? Square root of minus 1. Okay? So, then this also becomes 3i. 12 is the same thing as 4 times 3. Right? Now, then minus 3i. 75 is the same thing as 25 times 3. Okay? Then, plus I. This is the same thing as saying 16 times 3. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12, 25 times 3 is 75, 16 times 3 is 48. Okay, now moving further, we have 3i. What is the square root of 4? 2. All right, 2 root 3 minus 3i. What is the square root of 25? 5. 5 root 3 plus I. Square root of 16 is what? 4 root 3. Okay. Then we have, so this becomes 3 times 2, we have 6 root 3i, okay, minus 3 times 5 is 15 root 3i plus I 4 root 3. Okay. Now when you are adding numbers with roots, you just add the numbers outside. Okay. So 16 minus 15 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. So negative 5 root 3i. That is the simplification of this question. All right. So it comes from knowing that I is a complex number given as square root of minus 1. So rewrite your expression in terms of this, and we solved and we got this. All right. If you found value from this video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you need to go back through the video, scroll back and watch it slowly again so that you can understand what I said. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on your notifications, share this video with your friends who also want to become a badass in Precalculus, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.